Hello everyone, how are you all? Everybody is fine? Yeah, I know everybody is fit and fine and staying safe at home. So students, welcome back in your English online class. Once again with me, I am Asha, your English teacher as everybody. So, everybody is doing good? Okay. So students, let's start our today's class with the word of the day. Your word of the day is stellar. Okay, that means being outstanding. And your sentence of the day is nobody is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. I repeat my sentence. Nobody is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Okay, you all are supposed to write this word of the day and sentence of the day in your notebook with the date. As you everybody know that today is 20th July and the day is Monday. So students, now onwards we are going to start your MCB, that is called your main course book. Okay, we are going to start with chapter number 1, that is the boy and the robbers. Okay, but before starting the chapter, let me tell you one thing, that while reading or explaining the chapter, while I will be reading or you will be reading the chapter, you all will be using the highlighters. Okay, you all will be using the yellow highlighter for the grammar uses. Okay, is there any if is there any idiomatic expressions, conjunction? Okay, so for the uses of grammar you all will be using yellow highlighter, and for the sounds and pronunciation, for the vocabulary you all will be using pink highlighter. Okay students, just remember this thing, yellow for the grammar uses and pink for the vocabulary. Okay, but before starting my chapter, can you tell me one thing, that in your holidays, for spending your holidays, you all will be visit some different places. Yes, you everybody go to the different places for spending your holidays. Have you ever been to Persia? Is there anybody who had ever been to Persia? कोई गया है? Yes. What is Persia? You know? Yes, the Persia is the country that it is also known as Iran. It is also called the Iran. Okay. You all will be thinking that why the ma'am is asking these things. I am asking this thing because in this chapter we are going to study about the Persia. Okay, that is also called the Iran. Okay, and officially the Islamic Republic of Iran. And this is a country that is situated in western of Asia. Okay, एशिया के वेस्टर्न में सिचुएटेड है. एंड यू नो हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री? यस, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज हसन रोहानी. यस स्टूडेंट, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज हसन रोहानी. और कैन यू टेल मी दैट विच लैंग्वेज दे स्पीक? यस, is there anybody who can tell me, who is able to tell me? Okay, I will let you know. They all used to speak Farsi. You know, they speak Farsi, and it is also known as Persian language. Okay, the Persian language is the most widely spoken language of the Iranian branch of the Indo-Iranian language. Okay students, so, and this is the country who is known for its agriculture and weaving work. Okay, so students, Persia is also known as Iran. Okay, the language of this country is Farsi and the president of this country is Hassan Rouhani. So in our today's class we are going to study about the chapter that is related about this country. Now today in this chapter we are going to talk about at that time when the great Cyrus was the king. जब साइरस वहां का किंग था, उनके समय में what was the rules there, what they were teaching to their what teaching to the people of the country. Okay, so we will study about the chapter first, that is the boy and the robber. Okay, we will study about the time जब साइरस वहाँ के किंग थे, उस समय वो लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते थे, क्या करवाया जाता था और क्या होता था. ओके, सो इन आवर टुडेज क्लास वी विल बी रीडिंग द चैप्टर नंबर 1. सो स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट रीडिंग. ओके, चैप्टर नंबर 1, द बॉय एंड द रॉबर्स. In Persia, when Cyrus the Great was king, boys were taught to tell the truth. This was one of their first lessons at home and at school. Just remember this thing, students. We are only reading the chapter now, and you everybody are supposed to take the pencil in your hand, or you can take the highlighter also to underline the hard words with me. Okay, so let's continue. None but a coward will tell a falsehood, said the father of young Otanes. Truth is beautiful, always love it, said his mother. When Otanes was 12 years old, his parents wished to send him to study in a famous school in a distant city. It would be a long journey and a dangerous one. So it was arranged that the boy should travel with a small company of merchants who were going to the same place. Goodbye, Otanes. Be always brave and truthful, said his father. So students, underline this hard word, falsehood. Falsehhood. Falsehood. That means झूठ, lie. Dangerous. 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 Dangerous you everybody know. Okay. खतरनाक. Company. 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 Next is truthful. 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 Okay, that means honest. So let's continue further. Goodbye, Otanes. Be always brave and truthful, said his father. किसने कहा? Father ने. Farewell, my child. Love that which is beautiful. Despise that which is base, said his mother. The little company began its long journey. Some of the men rode on camels, some on the horses. They went but slowly, for the sun was hot and the way was rough. Suddenly, towards evening, a band of robbers swooped down upon them. So, again underline the hard words, students. Suddenly, SUDDLY. Enly. Suddenly, you everybody know. Achanak. Okay. The merchants were not fighting men. They could do nothing but give up all their goods and money. Now turn on the page, students. Let's continue from the next page. Well, boy, what have you got? Asked one of the robbers as he pulled Hortense down from his horse. 40 pieces of gold, answered the lad. Lad means the boy. The robber laughed. He had never heard of a boy with so much money as that. That's a good story he had. Where do you carry your gold? It is in my hat, underneath the lining, answered Hortense. Okay. Oh, well, you can't make me believe that, said the robbers, and he hurried away to rob one of the rich merchants. Okay, just underline the hard words, students. Robbers, ROBBERS. Robbers. What are robbers? You everybody know? Yes, जो डाकू और चोर वहां पर आए थे. Underneath, UNDERNEATH. Underneath. Underneath means yes, उसकी हेड के अंदर. Merchants, MERCHANTS. Merchants. Okay. Oh well, you can't make me believe that, said the robber, and he hurried away to rob one of the rich merchants. Soon another came up and said, my boy, do you happen to have any gold about you? Yes, 40 pieces in my hat, said Hortense. You are a brave lad to be joking with robbers, said the man, and he also hurried on to a more promising field. Okay, students, we will read the chapter till here today. Okay, let's have a look on the hard words again. Just go to the back page. From the starting, we will see the first is falsehood, FALSEHOOD, falsehood. Next is dangerous, DANGEROUS, dangerous. Next, company, COMPANY, company. The next is truthful, TRUTHFUL, truthful. Okay. The next word is suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. Okay, just turn on the page. Now next word is robbers, ROBBERS, robbers. Next is underneath, UNDERNEATH, underneath. and your last word is merchants. MERCHANTS. Okay students, so after reading till here, till promising field, you all will be underlining these hard words, and you all are supposed to read and write these hard words and learn as well. Okay students, in our next class we will continue further with the chapter. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much.